So many people still do not understand the importance of meditation, okay? They don't know what is meditation in the first place. Many people still don't know what is meditation. If they understand the importance of meditation, today they will run and come, okay? So it is the responsibility of every place of worship. As long as they know the existence of Sakti, Jyoti, Jnana, Upadesam, they must open their mouth and tell, okay? It is their responsibility. If they are aware of the existence and they don't tell, it will be karma for them. Okay, they will be carrying people's karma, the public's karma. Because every public are entitled to know the existence of Sakti, Jyoti, Jnana, Upadesam. They must know. Why? Because they have to meditate to change their life. There is problem with the sun already. Again and again, we are reminding and telling people to do meditation, not only at home, but to come and do group meditation as well. Why is group meditation very important? It's because again and again I have to spell this out. Every time you come for group meditation, you are not only are you all joining together and merging with Paramatma very fast, you are also deleting your karma very fast. Very fast you are deleting your karma when you come for group meditation. So if people fail to understand that, or maybe they forgot because of coronavirus, the MCO, everything forgotten already. So they must understand that every time they come for group meditation, one soul will help the other soul. Very fast you connect with the universe and very fast you delete your karma. Okay, so when you meditate, not only are you helping your own self, you're also helping restore Mother Nature. Okay, so this is something they must understand. So along the way, they get carried away and they forget. Okay, so come back into the path. Come back into the path, understand and realize the importance of meditation. Again, I'm saying that when you meditate, every time you meditate, you will slowly delete your karma. You are changing your nakshatram. Okay, every time you meditate, you are changing your nakshatram. You are changing your vide. Okay, you cannot suddenly change your vide. Okay, the root is already very deep inside. So daily you have to meditate. Gradually only you can change your vide. As you change your vide changes. Also, every time you meditate, you are deleting your karma. Okay, only then your life can change. You don't delete your karma, you cannot expect your life to change. Just by prayers alone, it is not enough. Okay, that time during Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, even at the beginning of Kali Yuga, it was still okay to just pray. Because sun was fine then. Sun was in perfect condition during Satya Yuga. Along the way, sun has deteriorated. Okay, so but right now, there's changes with the sun. Okay, so every time you meditate, only you're taking Namapasana Sakti and finally Vasi Katsu from the universe. Other times, the air that you breathe comes from the sun. So can you imagine once or twice that you meditate, only the time you're taking Namapasana Sakti or Vasi Katsu. What happens other time? You're still breathing the air that comes from the sun, so it will definitely have negative effect on you. So, but that's why Sakti Jyoti Tuda is here to tell people to meditate. So every time you meditate, you're able to balance the negative air that you breathe that comes from the sun. So this is what it is. So once or twice also is not enough. At least you must do 3 times a day. That is for minimum. Okay? By right, you should do 5 times a day. Only then you'll be able to balance the negative air on a daily basis. And this negative air that I'm referring to here will have negative effect in every way. Okay? Not only health-wise, financially, in your relationship problem, family problem, every way you have problem. Idiopathic sickle, I've already mentioned before. Sakti Jyoti Tuda has already mentioned this before. Again, I have to say, this coronavirus is just icing on the cake. Okay? It is just a pickle in your main course. The main course haven't come yet. Okay, many more problems are going to come. After Kartikeya Deepam, you'll know the verdict. Many problems are going to come. So that's why beforehand itself, the messenger who has gone to every place, whole of Malaysia, to teach for free. Every temple, every place, almost every place of worship, every other center he has gone. Many schools, the whole of Malaysia. Okay, so why people are not doing meditation? And now partly why there's problem is because many schools have already stopped meditating. So because many schools have stopped meditating, more problems are going to come. Before, the school students were meditating. So when they meditated during that time, it was at least helping the people around the area. But now all schools have stopped. Think. All schools have stopped. Most places of worship have stopped meditating. People in every place of worship have stopped meditating. What's going to happen now? Kavasam have reduced. So many problems are going to come. This is the meaning. Okay, as you know, those who are aware, before this, many classes were going on throughout Malaysia. So they were cumbersome, very strong cumbersome then. Now it has reduced. That's why we are telling people, please come and meditate. Come for group meditation. Not for me, not for Sakti Joji Tuda. It's for your own soul. Okay, every time you meditate, you're helping your own soul. Nobody else. So you have to realize that. How to realize? You must sit and meditate and take jnanam. Only then you realize why there was problem, water problem. 5 Panchabhudam. They don't understand the meaning of Panchabhudam. If people understand the importance of one of the Panchabhudam, water, they will learn how to respect the water. They will value the water. But how to understand the importance of water? First, you have to have jnanam, wisdom. How to attain the wisdom? You must sit and do meditation. Only then you can attain the wisdom. So if everybody meditates, everybody will have wisdom. They will learn how to respect one another. They will learn how to value people, animals, and everything around them. So this is what it means. Why they are lacking in jnanam is because they are not meditating. So it is very simple. Okay, so that's why Sakti Tuda through Paramatma is saying that everybody have to meditate now, irregardless of your religion. Okay, whether you're Hindu, you're Muslim, you're Christian, Japanese, Korean, American, it does not matter. Every human being on earth must meditate now. Whether you like it or not, it's no longer an option. It is mandatory. It is compulsory. After your prayers, in fact, meditation is part of the prayers. Right after your prayers, you have to finish your prayers with meditation. Only then it is considered complete. Otherwise, it is incomplete. Your prayers is hanging halfway. That's why there are many problems, never-ending problems. This is what it means. So finish your prayers with meditation and go back with kavasam. Okay, anywhere you meditate, whether be it at home or in any place of worship, after meditating, you will build kavasam for yourself gradually and eventually. Not only coronavirus, but nothing can affect you. Okay, so coronavirus, they are saying you have to have 1 meter distance. So as you know, I've already mentioned before, every time you meditate, you have 2 meter kavasam. Okay, north, south, east, west, top, up and down, everywhere. So nothing can affect you, nothing can enter. Not only coronavirus, any virus, any disease. Sevine, black magic, which is also very rampant everywhere throughout the world. Okay, now anyone doesn't like anybody, very simple, just do black magic. So you are also able to prevent yourself from any of this black magic. Everything is for the matter. Okay, in every way you are protecting yourself. So this is what Paramatma is saying. But of course it is in your hands. Okay, how many times you meditate, that many times, that's how fast you delete your karma. You do once or twice, it takes forever for you to delete your karma. You do 5 times, very fast you delete your karma. That's what it means. Okay, it's very simple. So that's all I'd like to share for now. Next week I'll share other messages. Perimbam.